In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a free blog. And you can actually use these free blogs to generate traffic for yourself and to also use the blogs to do your own affiliate website. So if you don't want to use Wix.com for your affiliate site, you could actually build your affiliate site on Blogger, and you could do your list building on there, and you could send out your affiliate links. You just have to be careful because sites like Blogger, even Wix.com, remember these are free solutions, and so at any point they could shut you down. But the great thing here is you're going to learn all the traffic methods. You're going to learn how to get going on the internet without having to invest a lot of money. And that's the whole purpose of this course. So I'm going to show you real quick how to build your first blog. So what you want to do is just go to blogger.com, and if you already have a Google account and you're already logged in, it's going to come to a screen that looks similar to this. So I'm just going to go right on over to, again, blogger.com, and it's going to ask me to create your blog now. So I'm just going to choose new blog. And let's say that our blog is all about, improving golf tips. So it's going to be a golf improvement blog. So, let's just target a good keyword here. So let's say golf, improve your golf score, because that's what the niche we're settling on here. Of course, your niche is going to be something completely different, and that's up to you. So you could go in here, improve golf score today, improve golf score now, and it says that is available. So now we're just going to pick a template that looks good. We go with simple, dynamic, picture window, and I'm just going to choose a simple template for now. And let's just go to create the blog. Create the blog based on the simple template. And it's creating the blog right now. Alright, improve your golf score was created already. So now we can go here to where it says view blog. We can see how it looks in another window. And again, very, very simple. Notice it already integrates with Google Plus, which is a big, positive thing for you. So since the site is there, there's no content on it. Let's go here to where it says start posting. Start posting. And it will take just a moment. And the post, this is where you're going to put in your very first post. So this is where you're going to place, your very first post. So we'll call this very first post how to cure golf slice. And let's just go out, let's just grab an article here on this topic. I would recommend you write your own unique articles, but I'm just going to go out here to ezinearticles.com, and we're going to give another author some credit, another author credit here. Golf slice cure. And let's see what kind of articles we can find in Ezine articles that we could share. Here we go. Top 3 golf slice cures. Looks like a good enough article for us to use here. And let's just scroll on down here. Okay, so what we need to do now is decide that we're going to go ahead and share this article. And let's see here. The sharing button is right over here. So actually it looks like now we'll just copy and paste it and make sure we include the author resource information there intact. Copy. And we're just going to paste this article in there. And notice as I paste it in there, it does kind of mess with the formatting a bit. So this is where we can come in here, we can play with the formatting to improve it some. Okay, keep all their links intact because they obviously spent the time and effort to write this article. So you definitely want to make sure that you're giving them credit where credit is due. Their article title, Top 3 Golf Slice Cures. If you're looking for just filler content, you definitely could go out to these blogs. It's not advisable for long term, only because you don't want to get in a habit of just using somebody else's content. You want to have unique content that you are using here. By Jack D. A. Brown. So you don't want to get in the habit of just swiping other people's articles, but it is okay. You can actually do that to get in some filler content. So let's just go back over here. So now we've got this content on here. And now let's just simply go. Now this, again, we're going to assume that you wrote this entire post, that you wrote the post, because I think that's important. And now we're just going to choose Save. And then we will click on Publish. And then you could actually automatically share it to Google+. So learn how to cure golf slice now. And it's automatically going to publicly share this article on Google+, which means we're going to start getting some instant traction going to this particular blog post. So if I were to open up here a window on my blog, remember this was the blog we created with no content on it, and I just clicked on refresh, we've automatically got our blog post on here. And notice this does link over to his website, as it should, because we pulled from his article source. So next thing we want to do, let's say we want to add in our own, add in a little bit of content above this, above his article. So just to kind of make it our own, to kind of brand it. So we could come right on up here, and you could give your own feedback here. So I found this article below useful because it gave 3 actionable tips that you can use to improve your golf game. Slicing is a problem that we all face every day on the golf course. I liked what he said about alignment. It really helped. Enjoy this article. For my favorite method for improving your golf score, check out How to Break 80 today. And then that would become your affiliate link. So what we need to do is we need to size this down a little bit, this text here. So again, you highlight the text you want to work with, and you can actually knock it down again. And let's say for my favorite method for improving your golf score, check out How to Break 80 today. So in this example, we're going to put in our ClickBank affiliate link. And again, you want to try to incorporate your affiliate link where it makes sense, because that's how you're going to be making sales. So you would go to clickbank.com. This is the exact process for grabbing your affiliate link. Once you find a product you want to promote, just click on Promote right there, the Promote tab, and put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, your account nickname, the one that you set up when you first set up your account. And we'll go with Create. It's going to create our link here, so I'm just going to copy this in here. Copy that link, How to Break 80. We could make that bold so it stands out. Highlight it, click on this link button right here, and it's going to go to a web address. Open link in a new window. For affiliate links, you want to add the REL nofollow attribute to it. That will help your website in the long term. And then we're just going to click on Update, because we just updated that post. And we'll go back over here to our affiliate blog. You'll notice once we've added this, now we've got our own unique title for this blog post, which I think is important. And then it's got your own little paragraph or so describing this article. And then my favorite method, this is your How to Break 80. And if you click on that, it's going to go to your affiliate link, which is all linked up there and ready to go. So that part is looking smooth. That part's coming together nicely. So now within Blogger, there's lots of possibilities here inside Blogger. You can go back over here to the My Blogs section. You could add pages to your blog. You could play around with the layout. You could play around with the templates. So you'll notice here we've got a certain layout on our blog here. So if we go back here, it's got the About Me, so it's got your Google Plus profile here, and it's got your content here. You could also add in some additional elements under the layout. So you could choose, these are called gadgets here, so you could choose to add a gadget, and it's going to bring up a listing of different gadgets here that you could add. So you could add a variety of different gadgets. You could add AdSense there to make money. You could add HTML, so an HTML gadget. And when you want to add a gadget, you just click on that little plus sign there. Free ebook. And then this here is where you could actually plug in your opt-in form. So we'll go to ListWire here. We will grab our opt-in form. Log in. We'll go back over here, choose our autoresponder, go to prospect, subscription form, and I'm going to just come right on in here, choose get code. We'll grab the JavaScript code here, go back over here to our Blogger blog, put in our HTML and hit save. So now we can go in here to look at our blog, see how it looks, see if it even shows up accurately. And it does. It looks like it does. It does kind of drag it down there, only because it's a little bit wider than the sidebar there. So it does put the opt-in form there, but it does force it to go towards the bottom. So that's something where you could go into ListWire here, and we could actually create a much smaller form if we wanted to. So let's just go here and let's just add in a new form here. So a new subscription form. And we'll call this one blog. And you could actually choose a different kind of form if you wanted to. So you could choose like a pop-up window, pop under, exit pop, pop over, light box. You could choose, a light box, the form redirect that would go to where you want the form to go to get your free PDF or your free report. You want to choose display the subscription form only once per visit. Okay. Then click on next page. Click here to edit text. Grab your free golf improvement guide, free golf improvement ebook. And then click on save. Okay, and then you can choose the form height, and we'll go save web form. And what this is going to do here on the blog, this is going to do like a pop under. So we're just going to grab this JavaScript code. We'll go back here to our blog. Hit save. Page element has been added, and now we'll go back and see if it displays as it should. So it should remove it from that section, and notice, boom, it brings a pop-up onto our free affiliate blog. So now people can actually come in here, land on our site, and they could actually be taken to put in their name and email right here. and then hit submit, and it would take them in. So now you've added a list building element to your website, and it's only going to show up once per visit. That way it doesn't spam people. But those are ways you could add page elements from within your section here. So you can just go here to add a gadget, and you could just add the gadget wherever you want it to show up, where you want it to display. So you could show up your opt-in form below, you could show it on the right hand side, and you get the idea there. Under layout here, just choose add gadget, and there's all kinds of other things you could be adding here. You could add Google Plus followers page, a search box once you add more content. You could add a text message, you could add an image, for example. So let's just go here and choose the image option. And let me show you here real quick. So I'm going to add an image here, and it's going to bring up this box to configure my image. So I'm going to go back to ClickBank here, and you'll notice a lot of the affiliate products you promote will have an affiliate tools page, and that's one thing that I like and one thing that I do look for. And so I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste that affiliate link here. So you'll notice as you're browsing through How to Break 80 affiliate tools is right there. You'll notice they have like an ebook, and they have some e-covers and images that we can actually use on our website. So let's just grab this code here, and let's just find a code that we think will show up correctly on our site. That's not going to be too too large horizontally. We want to have more of a vertical banner. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click, and I'm going to choose let's just grab this image link here. So we'll go to properties, and this is going to be the address for that link, address for this image. So I'm going to hit copy. You could also find it right here in this code as well. And what we're going to do here now is go back over to our Blogger blog, back to where the image element is showing up here. And we're going to choose image. Instead of uploading from our computer, we're going to choose image from a link. And then the link here is going to be, when people click on this, where is it going to take them? You want to take them to that particular, to your affiliate link. So we're going to open up ClickBank again, grab our affiliate link, and I'm going to go right on in here, and we're going to paste this in into the link section here. And then we'll scroll on down here and hit save. Oop, looks like they want to have a title, so we'll call this How to Break 80, and we'll hit save there, and it's saving that image. So the element has been added, so we can go to view our blog. So let's go back to our blog here, and let's hit refresh on that. And there is, that image is now showing up. So let's try and move this to show up on the right hand side so it shows up a little bit better. So we could actually come on in here and just drag this gadget to the right hand side so it does display a little bit better. And then we'll go back to our blog here, hit refresh, and it should place that on the right hand side here. And it may or may not, depending on the size of the of the window there. So you might need to change your template, which you can do from back inside here. And when you're done with any changes, you can hit save arrangement. And once we hit save arrangement, then that actually improved that, so it now shows up on the right hand side. So that's an important tip too, is after you make a change, make sure you do hit save arrangement. That was a step that we just skipped because we got ahead of ourselves. And you can actually do that as well. You could also drag this free ebook banner here. We'll hit save arrangement, see if that does show up there. But again, you also have the pop under as well. So we can play around with that element. And it looks like it still won't quite display the ebook because it is, a little bit too large there. And so that's where the pop under comes into play. That's the beauty of ListWire, is they do give you that ability. So here now we've added a banner. We've got, our blog archive there. We've got our Google Plus buttons there, and you can test that link there. If you were to click on that, it takes people right on into the website there. And so it works really, really seamlessly and works very, very well. If we go back here to the layout, and let's just say there's a certain element we do not want anymore, you can just click on edit, and we can click on remove that element. So let's say like that ebook element is not working on the right side. We'll just go ahead and remove that, and then hit save arrangement. And so now we've got, the About Me section, which has got your information there. We'll go back here. It's just about going back and forth, refreshing, making sure it looks good. I like the fact that the opt-in form shows up here because it might might attract a few more people that may want to opt in. And you've got your affiliate banner here. And one last thing to worry about when you're doing your blogging and things of that nature is you want to look at your template. You could also change your template as well. So right now we have the very basic one, but you could come in here and you could decide you want to go with a lot different template. So a dynamic view blog, these are a variety of different blogs as well. So here's one that you could apply. All you have to do is hit apply to blog. And then we can go back here, hit refresh, see how it looks. And there we go. So now we've actually improved the look by just applying a template there. And our banner shows up well. We've got our free ebook down here at the bottom. We also have our pop under that displays. And then right here, this is our link for our affiliate site. This is our link for our affiliate site. We've got our affiliate link here. We've got our affiliate link here. And then we also have our pop under, which is our list building mechanism. So you could use this blogger link now as your own affiliate site. If you choose not to go with Wix, if you choose to go with Wix, you can still build a blogger blog. And it's just a matter of going back in here when it's time to add more content. Just go right up in here to where it says post, and you can simply just add a new post right up here. So just click on new post, and you're right back in the post editor section. I recommend that you have plenty of good keyword rich posts when you're doing a free blog, because that's going to ultimately get you the most traffic possible.